So you want to remove this little tiny search bar on your home screen for your OnePlus phone with Android 15 and Oxygen OS 15. So this search bar cannot be removed just by long pressing it like you would to remove any other widget. What you're going to have to do on your OnePlus phone is first go into the home screen settings, and you can do this by long pressing a blank area on your home screen. You'll see this here happen, and you will want to navigate over to the far right until you see more. This more right here, okay? Now, once you get into the more settings, you're going to see all these different options on your home screen settings here. Then go down until you see show search at the bottom. By turning this off, that's going to remove that search bar. And if you turn it back on again, you're going to be able to see it one more time if you need that. So when I disable it here, I'm going to come out of here, and now you'll notice the search bar is no longer down there to the bottom. And yes, if you want it again, just do that, turn it on, and you'll get it back. Like and sub.